Hey guys, Late Boy Scout here, shooting a Desert Tactical Arms suppressed SRS covert. Isn't that a gorgeous gun? 308, and man, it feels nice. I'm out here at Sniper Country in northern Utah as a guest of Desert Tactical Arms for sort of the introduction of a very nice, very professional, very well put together long-range, long-distance shooting training course. I'm as stoked as all get out to be up here. I can't wait to do some shooting with these guys, to get into the classroom and learn from these guys. Man, this is awesome. I am stoked to be here. Did I say that already? While I'm here, I'll capture as much footage as I can of some of the classroom time, of some of the shooting, try to summarize some of what I learned, and just share some of this information with you and some of the experience with you. I'm sure it's going to be a fantastic experience. Stick around. This is going to be a series of videos. I think you're really going to enjoy it. I think I'll take another shot. Man, that feels nice. I'm the Late Boy Scout, the current guest of Desert Tactical Arms. Stick around. This is going to be a fun series. We'll see ya.